Poverty is not something that anyone wants to be associated with. But the truth remains that in the world we live in, we have the wealthy, the rich, and should I say the middle class, and then we have the poor. Whatever level you are in, your goal should always be to level up, and that includes your financial life. But sadly, there are certain mindsets and even habits that most people have that is keeping them poor. And in today's video, I'm going to list out 5 habits that is keeping you poor. Hello, my name is Tracy. If this is your first time tuning in, you are welcome. And for a while now, we've been working towards eliminating financial flaws. As I reveal secret tips that will help you make money, save more money, and grow wealth. If this sounds like something that is of interest to you, then consider subscribing to this channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell just so you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to list out 5 habits that is keeping you poor. Now, if you do not work on these 5 areas that I'm going to list out, you are going to remain at the level that you are in financially and soon enough run out of the little that you have on you. If you do not want this to be your situation, then you need to look into these areas and work on them. And I'll start with the first point. You are a dreamer. It is good to have a dream, but dreaming is not enough. Your dreams aren't supposed to be what makes you sleep. They are supposed to be what keeps you from sleeping. They are supposed to be the driving force, what pushes you to do better. And these are the habits that you find in successful people. But sadly enough, we find people who have dreams but lack the action to back it up. You want to be this, you want to be that. The question is, what are you doing to actualize that dream of yours? Because a dreamer will remain a dreamer until there is an action that aligns with that dream to bring about the desired results. So when people ask you, what do you have to offer? Stop saying, I know I have a bright future, my future is bright. Because who doesn't have a bright future? And now that I think of it, I remember a quote that says, if your dreams doesn't scare you, they aren't big enough. And to be honest, I agree. Something else that is keeping you poor is your contentment, the low income that you earn. This could be a mindset that has been passed down to you. You probably think that because you come from a poor background, it will be impossible for you to break free and actually work towards becoming rich. Well, if that is your mindset, then you need to change it today, because that mindset is only going to keep you poor. If you are a low income earner, it doesn't matter whether or not you have a degree. You need to look out for other means to increase and boost your income. If not, you're going to keep struggling, especially when the income that comes in every month is less than the amount you actually spend each month. And by the way, I've made a video where I reveal 10 side hustle ideas that will help you make more money. Link will be in the description, so do well to check it out after watching this video. If you're someone who always avails lending options without calculating the risk, giving out your assets as collateral, piling up debts without any strategic plan to help with the settlement of your debts as soon as possible, then you are in trouble. And if you're someone who borrows money simply because you are expecting a money that you're not even sure of to settle that particular debt, how on earth do you expect to settle a sure expense with an unsure income? How? Any income that you are not sure of is not an income at all. Certainty is a major factor that makes it an income. I mean, look at it. It is called income, not outcome. So if you're earning and your earnings aren't coming in but going out, well, that is not an income. Most people identify as income earners but not income retainers, simply because the money never gets to them due to the accumulation of debts and bills to be settled. Now, you don't want to be that person, because that is only going to keep you poor. Most people are broke not because they cannot work or find something that they love doing to earn, but because they don't want to work and they do not want to stress themselves. And the reason why they miss out on opportunities is because they always find fault with opportunities that comes their way. It is either too small for them, or they don't like the job, or one flimsy excuse or the other. The desire that the money will come by just sitting down and doing nothing, and sometimes hoping on the divine for a supernatural connection. And if you ask them, they will tell you that they want to earn money while sleeping. Now, it is very possible to earn money while sleeping, but you cannot expect to reap where you did not sow. It doesn't work that way. So if you're not ready to do what it takes, then don't expect a take when people start reaping from their harvests. Quit being lazy. Get up and get to work. Something else that is keeping you poor is not becoming an investor. Now, we cannot talk about investing, especially if someone doesn't have enough to even meet their basic needs. Maybe you have a job with a stable income. You probably don't come under the low income earner category. You are not in debt either, and you are not lazy. However, at the end of the month, you're not able to account for your income. The truth is, if you do not learn how to spend your money well, if you do not invest, save for emergencies, if you're a waster, then get ready to struggle for a long time. And trust me, you are not far from being broke. And that is not what you want. I need you to know that your ability to afford all the things that you need doesn't necessarily mean that you are financially successful. There are hierarchies to these things, and your goal must be to level up. Go from being broke to being able to meet with your basic needs. Then scale up to becoming rich, then scale up to becoming wealthy. I need you to learn how to spend your money effectively. If you do not know how to spend your money, get yourself an accountability partner, a financial advisor, or better still, watch more videos on this channel to help you learn how to spend your money, track your expenses so you can save more, and ultimately become a good investor, expanding and increasing your sources of income. That way you don't remain at the level that you are in financially, and you are sure to retire well. Like this video if you haven't already, and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. I have divided this video into two sections. The second part of this video will be suggested on your screen right here. I want you to click on it, and I'll see you in this video right now.